Hello Python lovers. Today we are going to discuss simple Python script that check whether a file exists without raising exception. So using exception we know that try exception method we will check out easily, but here we don't want to use exception. So luckily we have one of the module OS module. So using this module we can do that in a couple of lines. We check out that. First, we have to import that OS module that we have done. Next is you have to specify the path of the file. So here I have specified the path of the file, and here is the trick. Then we are giving if condition, and we are using the exist exist path inside the OS module. So using that, we have to specify the path. If os.path.exist means it will return true. So that case, the file path is exist. Else case, it doesn't exist. So we'll try that. We are running that. See guys, this file is exist. So already there. So here we are giving to 0. That file is not there. Let's run it again. See, you can see does not exist. So it's simple, right? This is actually there's another method inside that we can check is file. Now here we are checking exist. Instead of that, is file we are giving, running the same script. It does not exist. We are removing that and trying again. See, you can see it's exist, right? So that's simple. Just you have to import that OS module. After importing that OS module, just you check os.path.is file or os.path.exist. Hope you understood that. In the next video, we'll come up with new topic. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.